Hi guys, it's Aphrodes. And today, what I decided to do was do a drag tutorial. I know I haven't uploaded in a really long time. It's because I'm just so lazy. I'm so sorry. I am gonna record more. I know I always say that, but like, I'm really going to try to record more. It's just school is really annoying and it's making me really unmotivated and lazy. But yeah, I have no nails on, so don't judge me. But yeah, I decided to do a little drag tutorial. If you guys like this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's jump right up in this bitch. I'm taking my Take Me to Brazil palette and using the orange to color correct. And I'm taking the L'Oreal Lumi and the Maybelline Fit Me matte foundation, and I'm blending those two shades to do my bearded area, and then I'm just setting that and then I'm putting another layer of foundation all over my face. Now I'm taking glue and I'm just gluing down my eyebrows. I did a layer, like the first layer, off camera. If you guys do want eyebrow tutorial, then I'll definitely do that. And now I'm taking that same matte foundation from Maybelline and I'm just using that to highlight. And I'm taking this Morphe brush. Everything will be down in the description box. It's just I don't remember everything right now. So yeah. And now I'm taking my powder with my beauty blender and I'm just setting everything. And with my brush. Now I'm taking my Marc Jacobs bronzer or powder. It's a powder, but I just use it as a contour. And now I'm just contouring my face. Remind me this the life that I chose. Go full speed. Can't read the signs that say stop. I brush it off and try to act on it so long. Yeah, I notice everything. I just act like I don't. Now I'm taking this L'Oreal True Match powder in a really light shade. And I'm going under my contour with a big fat Morphe brush. And I'm also like baking it on my mustache area because it always wants to show no matter how much I fucking color correct. And it's really annoying. So I just use that because it really helps. Now for my last layer of glue, I like to lick it just because it makes it smooth. And then I get my powder and I press that shit in, honey, because we want that shit to be dry. Now I take the same matte fucking foundation and I use that to blend it in on my eyebrow, and then I take that same L'Oreal pressed powder and I use that to cover it. And now I'm doing my forehead foundation, the same thing I did with my face. For my eyebrows, I use the Meet Man Nude palette from the Balm.
and I use the color Matte Rosen. It's a really nice cool gray. Not a cool gray. It's a really nice cool brown, and I really like the shade for my eyebrows, and I just fill them in. I do the bottom first and I arch it really nicely, and then I do the top and I fill it in. And then I take my, hold on, let me okay, there. Now I take the LA Girl eyeliner and I just do hair strokes on my eyebrows just to mimic real hair. Now I take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and I take this shade Saturn just to map out my eye. And I really like going from the inner corner to the outer corner and create a eyeliner shape with it just to give me, that feline look that I really like. Um, and in a moment here, you'll see that I take this flat, fluffy brush and I use the shade Eden just to really blend that out and give it more dimension.
Doorknob. It seems it's all locked up and the key decomposed. Remind me this the life that I chose. Go full speed. I can't read the signs that say stop. I brush it off and try to act on nonchalant. Yeah, I notice everything. I just act like I don't.
Now with this Kylie brush that came with the Royal Peach palette, I'm gonna take Saturn and just blend it through just to create that dimension I really want in that eye, you know? Now I'm going to my Shop Hush Athena palette and I'm going to take Lure and Power and just really focus that on the outer corner of my eye and in the really in the socket of my crease just to keep building dimension and keep building on the color that I really want. And now I'm going to take the Prism palette again and I'm going to take Parallel with this small flat brush and I'm just going to keep adding dimension and dimension just to really create that inner corner to outer corner, really deep socket outer corner look. I'm gonna take this Milani conceal to powder thing, whatever, cream to powder, and a flat brush, and I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna do a half crease. With this, I just start with the inner corner and really do it with the outer corner. And I love this flat brush because it gives me precision. And I just use my finger to blend that, you know, nothing hard. Now in the Urban Decay Electric palette, I'm gonna take the color Prism, not Prism, the color Savage, the pink, and I'm just gonna blend the outer conceal part, and yeah, it's really nice. I really like when I do that. And then in the Athena palette, I'm just taking Medusa and I'm putting it where I concealed. Now in the Prism palette, I'm just going to take Lucid and put that in my most inner corner. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl eyeliner and create a wing. Now, what I like to do, I like to start in my inner corner and just create a line, and then I do the wing part and I just connect it down. That's the easiest way I find to do my eyeliner because it really helps. And I like creating really long wings, so it's just a technique that really helps me. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an inner corner line. I don't even know what's that called, but Yeah, I just like doing that little inner corner line just to give me that beeline look that I'm always trying to get. And now I'm just taking eyeliner and I'm putting it in my waterline in black. Actually, this eyeliner is like black sparkly, which is ugly as hell, but it gives me what I want. And after this, I remembered I had it under the eyeliner, so that was dumb in my part. But now I'm taking from the Prism Palette Obsidian and I'm just setting that eyeliner and I'm also smoking down my bottom lash line. And now I'm taking, what was it, Saturn, and I'm putting it under my lash line. And now what I'm doing, I'm just contouring my nose with the same contour that I was using from Marc Jacobs. And I just contoured the hell out of my nose, but then I highlight it with that concealer that we've been using. Um, and yeah, I just do it down the bridge of my nose and then I create a tip with that concealer. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking that same L'Oreal True Match powder and I'm just baking the sides of my nose just to make it really skinny and really cut. And now I'm taking a really darker powder and I'm just creating dimension on the bottom. And now I'm putting on my lashes. What I use for glue, I use Got to Be hair gel, which really works for me. But I don't recommend if to do this if you don't know what the hell you're doing, because it can get in your eye and fuck up your whole eyes. So like, use it with caution. Like, don't blame me if it comes off fucked up. Okay. Now I'm taking a beauty blender and the NARS Exhumus Matte Multiple, and I'm using that as a blush. I really like this because it gives the skin kind of a glow, and I really like that in drag because with all these powders it could get really lost. And now I'm taking this blush from Shop Hush that they gave me for free. I don't really know what color it is, but I'll put it down in the description box, and I'm using a Real Techniques blush brush. And then for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills X Am Rizzy highlighter. That shit was mad expensive, but it's so good. Like, do you see that? I'm using it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush, and that highlight is amazing. It's buttery, it's silky. Girl, my highlight was beaming.
Tired of it all up in my phone. Boy, leave it alone. I'm learning. Now I know. Shoulda left your ass in.
After I'm done highlighting, I spray my face with my spray, and then I take this brown lip liner. Well, it's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner from Ulta Beauty. And then I also take this more pinky color and I just layer it because I didn't want a chola look today like I usually do, but like today I just wanted it soft. And then for the lipstick, thank you so much, Ashley. She gave this to fucking me, which is the, oh my god, like, bitch. She gave me this Pat McGrath lipstick in 1995. And bitch, thank you so motherfucking much because that shit is motherfucking creamy as hell. That shit is soft. That shit is beautiful. And I can't thank her enough. It's in 1995, girl. Oh my god. Girl, oh my motherfucking god. But then I take this ColourPop metallic lip gloss and I think it's zebra or some shit. It'll be down in the description box. So yeah, guys. Okay, guys, so this is the final product, which you already knew that, but yeah. Um, if you want to know these details, this harness is from Harley House. They're a amazing ass company, and the owner actually sent me this harness, and she also sent me a few of her chokers. I recommend to check her out because she's really amazing and all her stuff are iconic. Okay, it's Harley House. This choker, I got it from a sex website. These earrings, my friend Mirage gave them to me, so thank you, boo. This wig, I will put a link down in the description box if you guys are interested in this wig. It's so nice. It came curly, but I straightened it. It took me 3 fucking hours because I went in when I went out, and it got all tangly and shit, so it took me fucking forever. But the inches, honey, it's all good. I forgot my mole, but we're just gonna have to get over that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, subscribe to all that. You already know my social media links are gonna be down in the description box. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys have a nice day or night or whatever the fuck it is. And yeah, muchos besos.